We have the NanoBeam AC 2.4 gigahertz radio set up. Let's see here. Oh, got it set up right here. So now we're just going to log in and see if we can get this thing to communicate. Right, we got connection. Had to put the bandwidth down to 10 to really get the speeds with all these trees that we sitting here. But we got 4 bars, well 3, 4 comes up every now and then, but we're getting 28, 24. It's fluctuating as the trees sway, but this customer only needs 10 download. It's all they need. It's 10. Care less about the upload. If we can get 1 or close to it, it'd be fine. But 10 is all we need download. So let's see what we have. Now this radio is programmed for their package of 10 down and 1 up. So see if we can accomplish them 2 numbers. Looks like we got the 10, we got the 1. Let's do it again. And when I put this on top of our house, it's going to be higher, so it's going to be even less trees in the way. So sitting here, getting the speeds I need, I'm very confident that we're going to get them speeds sitting on their house. Alright, 3 times the charm, they say. Got it twice. See if we can do it the 3rd time. Ping is real good in the 30s. If I try to get at least the ping to be 50 or less. It looks like we're going to get them speeds again. Because they're paying way too much for what they're getting. They're only getting up to 3 download and like 0.7, 0.6 upload. So they're going to get faster speeds for less cost. I think they'd be happy. Alright, with a little bit of tweaking of the output and the channel width and the frequency of the channel itself, after I do on a survey and see what's actually in this area and set it to a channel that's most opened, and we're getting roughly 30 to the client and be able to send even faster back to the AP, because the, as you can see, the dB on the 2 are different, 23 and 18. Just might actually change the AP, but with this speeds and getting what they need, it just might work. Might have to throw another one up there to actually get further back in the neighborhood, but as you can see, it's going to 50s as the trees sway. But let's see what we can get on the speeds. Like I said, this customer only needs 10. Let's see what we can actually get. Alright, 24 and 8. Yeah, that's more than enough, because all they need is 10 down and 1 up. And we're going through all them trees right here. And the AP is about half a mile or so away on the other side of them trees. So we're doing good. Try again. As you can see, it's dropped down as the tree's swaying. But we're still getting good speeds out of it. Getting more than enough of what they need. So I think this is good. I'll let them know and schedule a day to go put it in. Well, we let the customer know that the service is up and running and available. We sat across the street from their house to test it, as you saw, and it was getting more than enough. And as I walked around their premises, I can physically see the tower. So there would be no trees actually in the way for that particular home. I can actually see the tower. If I had binoculars, I probably could zoom in and actually see the antenna. So she can get more than, you know, the 10 package. And I'm sitting down the road right now in the commercial area on a main highway from the tower. If you look real close right in the middle there, you'll see the red and white tower. And we are pulling roughly about 25 down from here. Surprised it even get that much, because the dish that we have up there is pointing in that direction. It's not pointing towards us. Even though it flares out and we catch the side of it, it's almost like a 110, 120 sector almost, but it's more designed to, you know, straight shot. But we can pick up from this area. So we got a few businesses here that we are going to send information to, so we can see if we can get them online. And also there's a church there as well, and a snow cone, an ice cream place right across the street. I don't know if they'll be able to pick it up with that antenna. I might have to put it on, because that is kind of pushing the envelope per se, getting the edge of the antenna. But I just might have to go get some ice cream later on and sit in their parking lot and aim it and see what I can get. Plus they got trees, so pushing the envelope to the edge with trees, I'm not hoping to get much. Might be surprised, but we'll see.